Breakout strategies don't work. ICT is too complicated, and you're burning hundreds of thousands of dollars following these shiny strategies everyone's posting online. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I learned that's simple, that's been proven in books, and major traders do this, and it's simple price action volume that works. This is the exact same strategy I've taught my students who are now bringing in anywhere from $7,000 to $20,000 per month, and some are even hitting $120,000 months. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali, and I've helped traders in the last 5 years become profitable. And in this video, we're going to dive in for absolutely free so you can understand a simple system that works, that you can repeat and start doing as soon as tomorrow. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So for those of you that know, the pocket strategy is the only strategy I focus on and I trade. And that's because it gives me the highest probability of success before I even enter the trade. What do I mean by that? Well, there's two things we look for. One, is the stock in a gap or pocket on the daily? And two, has it entered that gap and pocket on the daily? So let's go ahead and look at this trade we took the other day, and I can show you exactly how this went for over 100% return in a single day, actually within minutes, and you can replicate the exact same thing. So this is IONQ. We have a huge gap up after earnings. It's pushed up here, and there's a huge gap here on the daily. Okay, so this is a candidate not only for upside break, but a downside break to the gap fill as well. When we're looking at the intraday in the pre-market now, so this is what I do every single day. I come in and I look at price action in the pre-market to see if there's a decent setup. Why? Because I'm actually looking for upside continuation today, but when I'm looking at the pre-market, what am I seeing? I'm seeing higher highs, failure to make a new high, and we've actually lost a lot of the momentum, and we're putting in this sideways channel. Not only that, we're actually putting in a intraday pocket to the downside as well. Now, what is a pocket? A pocket means you've made a strong move up and you started to consolidate above a key level of support, leaving a volume node from the initial move to the support level that was put in. So in this case, the pocket is from 38 to 39.40. So if price is sitting above this 39.40, we know we have a gap fill on the downside as well, so selling pressure can start coming down as well. What are we looking for here? We're looking for a break of this 39.40 to move down towards this 37, which then initiates the gap fill to the downside. Okay, so the game plan going into the open, and most of you know I only trade the first hour of the market open, was simply that. Get a break of 39.40. If that breaks, take the trade and move it down towards your next level of support. Once that snaps, you enter the gap fill and you have more downside. So let's take a look at exactly what happens here. So market is about to open. We open and boom, we drop, right? So we dropped in the pre-market. We're looking at the retest now, and that drop takes place and happens. Now, a lot of people will be like, oh, that happened too quick. You're not able to catch that move. Fair enough. And I believe you 100%. But what happens? We got the retest here with an inverted doji candle, right? But what happens? We got a retest of that level. That's a doji followed by a bearish engulfing candle. So we take that trade again, if you missed the initial move down, and take a look at what happens as this low breaks. We drop drastically, and this right here is what gives you that big 100% move. All right, so when you have a level that you enter a pocket on, if that level breaks in the pre-market, well, then you have to wait for a retest at the market open. If you open above your level before the market opens, then you take the trigger initially as it's breaking to the downside. In this case, the break had happened in the pre-market. So you have to wait for price to come back up, test that level, show weakness, and you get involved. Okay. This move obviously happened too quick. So that is very hard to catch. And I 100% agree with you guys, but you wait for the retest of that level. You got the retest, you got the doji at a level of resistance, and that is your signal to enter, which stops at higher day. Anytime you have a level of resistance, price comes up and you get a doji candle, a doji at resistance or support can be reversal. And that's exactly what happened here, right? So understand your candles, understand your levels, Identify your pockets on the daily and intraday and simply take the trade within those pockets. This is a solid move that took place, and from 39.43 all the way down to 36 gave you over 100% move on IONQ. That is because this move right here is over 6%, and if you're buying same week expiry contracts, you're banking significantly. And this was one of the trades that we took live in our mentorship community. If you guys don't believe me, you think I'm doing this after the fact, all you need to do is simply join, and you can witness these live sessions every single day from 9:15 to 10:30. Now, this is one of many trades we take every single day inside the mentorship program. I do this live every single day in front of hundreds of students, and you can witness it too. So if you're interested to witness and watch me do this every single day, every morning, hold your hand one-on-one to get you to a place where you're making anywhere from 15 to 30,000 per month, click the link down below, apply to see if you qualify to work with me one-on-one, and I'll reach out with you personally and see if this program is a good fit. Until then, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single video.